Dear students, in this video we are going to study order of operations. Order in which calculations are done, it's very important, and we are going to try to understand which operation is coming firstly. We studied this subject before, but to remind you about the subject again, because it's very important subject, not to confuse the order of operation, not to get, of course, a wrong result. Otherwise, if you don't do the operation in correct order, you are going to get a wrong result. That's why I'm going to write this one here. This is going to remind us which operation is going to come first, and BEDMAS operation. BEDMAS is representing order of operation. You may hear different, also in our book it was PDMAS. There are different usage of it, but we are going to remember with BEDMAS. Let me explain what is BEDMAS. B means, firstly, I need to tell, B means brackets. Brackets. What does bracket mean here? When you hear bracket, this is including parentheses or brackets or set parentheses, or this is called braces and this is called brackets. Also, we are going to, after brackets, first you are going to solve the questions inside the brackets, then you are going to continue with the exponent. So the second operation, it's going to be important operation, or secondly, we are going to solve the exponents. Then the third one, let me do like this. The third one, it's going to be division, that you know, division. And the next one is multiplication. Multiplication. The fourth one is addition. 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 And the last one is subtraction. It's going to be subtraction. It's going to be, so the last operation is subtraction. So with respect to that one, when you see the mixed operations here, when you see the mixed operations, first you are going to decide about which order comes firstly, which operation comes firstly, then you are going to do that one. So here in the first exercise, 17 minus 5 times 3, of course it's obvious that 5 times 3, because multiplication is before then subtraction, 5 times 3 is going to be firstly, so it's going to be 17 minus 5 times 3, which is equal to 15, and 17 minus 15 is going to be equal to 2. Here we have one part that we need to be careful, because we have exponential expression here. So we can write like this: 32 divided by 8 plus 9, it's going to be, so here we have division and addition. Which operation comes firstly? Division is coming first, so you can do the operation here. 32 divided by 8 is equal to 4, 4 plus 9 it's going to be, and then it's going to be equal to 4 plus 9 is equal to 13. Only we may be careful here about this one. We can divide also the term division here, because the 3 square connected to this equation with plus. So the operation that you are going to do, there are two operations, division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. These are the operation, 4 basic operation. From this phase, 4 basic operation, these are the division is the first one. So while you are doing division operation, at the same time 3 square you can get, and you can solve the question like this also. 32 divided by 8, it's equal to 4, because you don't have to do anything with 3 square. So 3 square is equal to 9. So 4 plus 9, also it's going to be equal to 13. You can quickly do these operations. Okay, 69 minus 52 times 2, it's going to be equal to 69 minus 52 times 2 is equal to 104, it's going to be. So the result, firstly we need to understand this one. 104 is bigger than 69, that's why the sign of 69 is plus 104 minus 69, it's going to be equal to, from 4, 9, if you subtract, it's going to be 5. From 9, if you subtract, because when you get 1 here, this becomes 14. 14 minus 9, it's going to be 5. And there is 9 here. 9 minus 6 is equal to 3, it's going to be. So the answer is, since the 104 is negative, minus 35 is going to be. Okay, let's continue. Here there are more exercises. I said first we should get exponents in the Bedmans rule. Firstly, in Bedmans rule, firstly we should do exponential operation, then addition, subtraction. Here 36 minus 5 squared is equal to 25, then plus, here 2 times 3 also we have here. Now the operations minus, plus and times, these are the operations, basic operations, and in minus and plus, while you are doing the exponential operation, at the same time you can do this one also. So 2 times 3 is equal to 6. So I made together, firstly I made the exponential operation, and at the same time I multiply them, because multiplication result and the exponential result is not going to operate. We are not going to operate them. We are not going to mix them. Firstly, we are finding what is 2 times 3. Like this can be parentheses and this is in parentheses. So I'm doing this one in parentheses and this one in parentheses. So firstly, I'm solving this one and this one together. Okay, what is the answer? 36 minus 25 is equal to 36 minus 25. It's going to be equal to 11. 11 plus 6, it's going to be equal to 17. The next one, I want to solve the second one. So 2 cube plus 3 cube times 2, which is 16 also. This was the 13. So 2 cube, it's equal to 2 times 3, 2 to the power of 3, it's equal to 8, plus 3 cube is equal to 9. 9 times 2, it should be first step. So I got first the cube operation. Pardon, 3 to the power of 3 is not 9. 3 to the power of 3 is equal to 27. 27 times 2, it's going to be. So with respect to that one, multiplication is before then the addition. Multiplication before then addition. So first I am going to solve the multiplication part. 27 times 2, it's equal to 54. And 8 plus 54, it's going to be equal to 62. And I finished operation. Here I want to solve the 17, and I want to end this page because we have different exercises also on the other page. So 17 plus 3 times 2 times 6 minus 2. Firstly, I'm going to do 17. Also, this is the 17th question. 17 plus 3 squared is equal to 9 times. First, I'm going to do the operation inside 6 minus 2, which is equal to 4. So here the important part, 9 times 4, it's going to be 9 times 3 squared is equal to 9. 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. So 17 plus, first 9 times 4, it's going to come 9 times 4. 36 it's going to be. So 17 plus 36, 7 plus 6, it's equal to 3. 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. And from 7 plus 6, 13, it's equal to. So it's going to be equal to 53. So the answer is 53 is going to be. Okay, let's solve the other type of questions and finish the video. Here, there are another type of question. Normally, there is a result in the question and it's asking, put the brackets if it is necessary to make the statement correct. Now, there is one statement. It says that 12 plus 3 times 2, it's equal to 30. If there is no parentheses and if you solve this question, 12 plus 3 times 2 for 21, I'm solving the question. 12 plus 3 times 2 you should do, it's equal to 12 plus 6, which is equal to 18, and as you see it is not 13. So operation is not in this order. I need to put parentheses, but directly in the first step I put the parentheses here, which is incorrect. So I need to put the parentheses to this side and to try again. 13 plus 3, pardon, 12 plus 3, 12 plus 3 in parentheses times 2. Let's see what is the answer. 12 plus 3 is equal to 2. So, 12 plus 3 is equal to 15. 15 times 2 is equal to 15 times 2 is equal to 30. So I got the true answer. That's why the parenthesis, it should be here. So this is the correct answer for that one. So 36 over 3 plus 6 times 2. Let's see without operation. 36 and 36 divided by 3 plus 6 times 2, 6 times 2, yes, 6 times 2. 36 divided by 3 from left to right. When you come here, we have division and multiplication, but from left to right, when you come, which operation comes firstly? You are going to write that firstly, that one, because there is no order between division and multiplication. They are same priority. 36 divided by 3, it's going to be equal to 36 divided by 3, it's going to be equal to 12, plus 6 times 2, it's going to be equal to 12 also. 12 plus 12 is equal to 24. So this is not correct operation. We should change this one. And what we are going to do here, I think we are going to get the parenthesis here, 36 divided by 3 plus 6 times 2, which is equal to 36 divided by 9 times 2. 36 divided by 9 is equal to 36 divided by 9 is equal to 4 times 2, it's equal to 8. So this is the correct way to do the operation. 36 plus 3 plus 9, 3 plus 6 times 2, it's going to be, and we are going to solve the others in the class.